My name is Glen Jones and I'm Glen's brother. Today we'll read a statement on behalf of his family. Our family will not be taking any questions given the raw nature of the sentencing and want to thank the media for their ongoing respect for our privacy. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank Justice Mackenzie, the police, the prosecution, the jury, victim support, and all of the people who have assisted us in any way from the very beginning of this terrible and devastating journey for our family. An event like this can either bring a family together or tear it apart, and without the help of all of the family and friends that have supported us, we could have been the latter, so thank you to all. Glen was the most loved and cherished member of our family and probably the wider community of Featherston. I'm still shocked and angry at what these people did to Glen 16 and a half months ago. As a group of thugs, they decided over a bottle of tequila and a few beers that they would be judge, jury and executioner. They laugh at the fact that Glen was little, harmless and an easy target. Yet they go as a pack with their stomping boots on and axe handles in hand in the middle of the night and take his life. They acted without the slightest piece of real proof on a story, murdering an innocent man. Not only taking our Glen's life, but smearing his name along the way. Everyone who knew Glen knows he would never do anything wrong, and it makes us want to scream and cry for what they have done to his memory. These horrible people should be disgusted in themselves. For us, the sun will never shine quite as brightly as it did before they entered our lives. They have not only changed our lives for the worse, but also for their own families' lives for the worse. I hope they take a moment each day to imagine not only what we are going through, but also their poor family members are going through, knowing they acted out such a heinous crime on an innocent and defenceless person. The law is the law, and we are thankful for the justice system putting these types of criminals behind bars. Mum and Dad and the rest of our family will hopefully find some form of peace over the coming years, knowing that Glen's killers are locked away, but really, it won't change a thing. These animals will now and forevermore be known as the murderers of a handicapped, harmless, defenceless and completely innocent man. Thank you for your time.
There'll be a media release coming out later this morning. Whilst the police acknowledge the sentences imposed today, the reality in this case is nothing brings Glen back. His family continue to grieve for a loved brother, son and uncle. The lengthy sentences that have been imposed today should send a clear message that acts of vigilante justice will not and should not be tolerated in our communities. The sad reality of today is that the defendants involved, most of the defendants involved, are parents themselves. They have now deprived their children for many, many years to come.